Are cloudy water, sick fish, or green tanks driving you crazy? In this video, I'm breaking down 3 of the most common aquarium problems and showing you quick, proven fixes that actually work. Whether you're new or experienced, these tips can save your fish and your sanity. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more no-frills aquarium help that works. Problem number 1, cloudy water. You know, that white or milky look. The main cause? Usually a bacterial bloom or an uncycled tank. Here's how you fix it. First, test your water parameters. Just grab a liquid test kit and check ammonia, nitrites, and nitrates. Next, stop overfeeding because excess food just rots and feeds bacteria. Only feed what your fish can eat in 1 to 2 minutes. If your tank is already cycled, sometimes you just need to wait it out. Cloudiness often clears in a few days as the bacteria stabilize. But if it's a new tank, add bottled nitrifying bacteria like Tetra Safe Start or Seachem Stability to speed up the cycle. And here's a bonus tip. Avoid cleaning your filters too aggressively. Beneficial bacteria live there. Problem number 2, excess algae. Whether it's green water on your walls or covering your decor. The cause is usually too much light, nutrients, or both. Here's what you can do. Set your light schedule to only 6 to 8 hours a day, or just use a timer. Feed less, because overfeeding adds nitrates and phosphates, which algae love. Add fast-growing plants like hornwort and anacarus, since they outcompete algae for nutrients. You can also try an algae eater. Fish like Otocinclus, Siamese algae eaters, or even Nerite snails help naturally. For green water, consider a UV sterilizer. It kills free-floating algae without harming your fish. So, let's talk about problem number 3, lethargic or sick fish. This can be caused by poor water quality, stress, or even disease. First thing you should do is test your water immediately. High ammonia or nitrite is, honestly, a silent killer. Next, do a 25 to 50% water change, but make sure to use dechlorinated water and match the temperature. Also check for aggressive tank mates because, constant chasing can stress fish out and really weaken their immunity. Always quarantine new fish for 2 weeks before adding them to your main tank. And only use salt or medications when needed. For IH, try aquarium salt or IH meds, but definitely avoid using them blindly. Some red flag signs to watch for include clamped fins, rapid gill movement, white spots, and fish sitting at the bottom or gasping at the surface. Fixing aquarium problems doesn't have to be complicated, if you know what to look for. Want more real-world fixes without all the fluff? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Your fish will thank you.